Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. So, let's dive in. So here are some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. I went to a couple different Walmarts just to show you some of the deals here. We see this heart option, the 4-tool combo set has 40 or 74 bucks. Pretty good deal for that one. And they had a couple of these, so you can let me know if they're at your local Walmart as well. Also want to let you guys know that I have some of these items linked down below, so if you're interested, you can definitely go check those down there. Have a little Dirt Devil here for 64 bucks. Get everything clean. Also a Ninja option if you want to grab one of those as well. And then even a air fryer here, you can check this one out as well. So a bunch of different options, a lot of tools as well. And then even a KitchenAid mixer here for $3.25. Then they had a lot of their like outdoor stuff they were selling. So this little raft for 70 bucks. Back to some tools. We see jigsaw here, 50 bucks. Again with the Hart brand, pretty good option. Hart has a bunch of deals here today. Also have this little shop light. I have a very similar one in my garage and I like it a lot. Also with it cooling off, trying to sell a lot of these Arctic Airs here for 20 bucks. Then we see a lot of their tools on sale right here. We see a lot of these hyper tough options. This circular saw on sale. That's a great deal for a circular saw and also a sawzall as well. Look at all these deals right here. These are pretty crazy options. I don't know if they're making room or what they might be doing, but we see a bunch of these. Now, this wasn't available at both of my stores, just one of them, but we see these drills are all on sale. Pretty good deals on all of these. These are really good prices for these drills. So if you need just some type of basic drill or anything like that, you can save a few bucks on these. And then again, here's another shot at the circular saw here with hyper tough. Again, 27 bucks. Pretty good option right there. Then we see a few more just random items here. We also see this hammer drill. Get to save 33 bucks. Again, that's a great option right there. And then another option here for the impact wrench for 148 bucks. Again, with the Hart brand. That's definitely a great brand. Going to do a good job for you and really strong and durable. And then we see a couple other options right here for some more sale items. If you do grab some of these hyper tough items, you can also grab this steel hanger right here to hang them on in your garage. Also had this little rangefinder here, $112 for that one. And then also we got this Trophy Extreme binoculars here for $115. Pretty good option there for that. Then they had a lot of great deals on their tools. You can see right here, a lot of good prices on these. The multi-tool option there. Even some of these other tools. You can see some of these are picked over, but still some great prices on these. This is the Hyper Tough brand. So this is Walmart's brand. So if it doesn't work extremely well, you can always bring it back. But so you got another option right there for a jigsaw. Pretty good deal. You can grab one of those. They also had this pressure washer for $328. Pretty good option on that. You can see again, pretty high on the PSI. So if you need one of these pretty strong pressure washers, you can go and grab one and save yourself money and get a great deal as well. I like it. It has the wheels and everything like that on it. And here's another one for $284. Also had just this regular Hart drill for pretty good price, 88 bucks right here. So again, another solid option. Get to save $11, which is pretty good, especially here at Walmart. And heard a lot of great things recently about Hart. Then they had this ratchet set for 54 bucks. If you need one of these, definitely check it out. I think it's a great deal, great thing to just keep around. Also had a 6-inch magnetic parts holder, so if you're going to be working on your car, you can grab one of those. And then even some Armor All options as well, down to 4 bucks. Pretty good option on that one. Then we have a couple of just fun outdoor items. See some of these rollbacks. And even a few other items right here. Just a little pan if you're going to be camping or going outside. And then we've seen these meals on sale. Pretty good deals on those. And then also some pool maintenance and spa maintenance stuff. A lot of these are on sale. Trying to get rid of these things since it is getting a little bit late in the season for those. And then we also have some of these cartridges and filters on sale. $5 for those is a pretty good deal. Even here, a little thermometer. Grab some of those, check the temperature in there, and see those are on sale. Then we see a few more pool items. You can see all different types of filters right here. So whatever you might need for your pool or your spa, you can check that out. And even some just other items for your pools. Great thing to go ahead and just grab some of these items. I did find a few of their outdoor items still available. You can check some of these out. See a few deals here. Have some batteries on sale for Hyper Tough or some of their larger items here. And you can see, again, a few of these are still available. So if you want to grab some of these deals, again, on some of these outdoor items, I think these are some pretty good prices on these. Whether you're going to be using chainsaws or just weed eaters or blowers or any of those things, you can check all of these out and see some of these prices, see some of these that might still be available in your store. Then we also have the string trimmer here for 51 bucks. So again, some of these are dropping prices pretty well. They also had 25% off their select harvest items. So a lot of the Halloween stuff seemed like it was still on normal price for some reason, but they had a lot of these Halloween, or excuse me, like fall decor that was on sale. So 25% off. A lot of these kind of just decorative items, getting ready for fall and Thanksgiving and all those type things. Save you a little bit of money on those, and spruce up the house. Then at another Walmart, you can see some of these other deals, the 3-tool combo and the price right here, so you can check that deal out. A little bit cheaper and pretty good option. Hyper Tough also had their wrench set here for 12 bucks. We also see this scope, so if you need a scope here for $50. Then also the Franklin Gold set right there. Also have the self-leveling option right here. I mean, 26 bucks. That's a great price for that. Then Hyper Tough even had their little case right here for $11, and then another option for the string trimmer, even cheaper, down to 36 bucks. So you can let me know if you have seen any of these deals at your local Walmart. They also have some under cabinet lights for Hyper Tough. I'm gonna grab some of those, and then another option here for the magnetic tray set, $5 for that one. And then we see a few more pool filters and other things like that. So again, pretty similar prices at both Walmarts. Just wanted to check and see what might be available at each one. They also had a box of just random other tools and other fun things like this. You can see some of these deals, Hyper Tough drill bits, and then also just a few more options right here, just some screws and drill bits and other kind of things like that. So if you need some of these things, I think it's a great little stocking stuffer, or great little gifts. You can check these out. Even a little door alarm there, a little 5-in-1 painter's tool, $1.50, and then even just some other random deals. I've never seen this little box here before at my Walmart, but again, I like all these, just little items like that, and those are good things for hanging pictures, and then even more drill bits right here. So just a bunch of other random DIY and random options. Great things to save you a little bit of money, even some gloves right there, and even some command hooks and stuff like that. So all different kind of things you can check out in there, save you a little bit of money, and grab you some stuff. Even at this hinge right here for $1.50. They also had a post and pipe level, so you can check these out if you're going to be doing some work on that. $2. Had a rifle case for 22 caliber here, $11. Great price for that one. And then they even had some of the weed control and the 5-in-1 weed and feed on sale, so you can check some of those deals out as well. So guys, I did just want to show you a couple things online that are on sale right here. We see this Hart 215-piece mechanics tool set down to 98 bucks. We saw that on actually in the store, and it was actually higher than that, so that's pretty cool. We also have this all powers option right here. Again, this is a great little solar generator to kind of keep an eye on, but down pretty good right there. And then also another Power Smart generator right here. Show you just a couple other items that are on sale. We see the Hart 6-tool combo kit here for $250. Again, a great price for that one. I've heard a lot of good things about this EcoFlow power station right here, down to $550. So again, another good price. I like these little Hart stack systems. I think that's a great deal right there. 15 bucks off. I'm really thinking about grabbing some of these just for carrying some tools around with me. And then we see a couple other options. Another good deal. Again, this is a little bit lower on the wattage, 2300, but if you need one, it's a good one to check out. And then we also see the 32-piece wrench set here for 21 bucks. Great deal on that one. And then a couple other options. We see the other heart tool here. Another cool option right here for the Power Smart inverted generator. Again, 4,400, pretty good option for that price range right there. And then we have another Hyper Tough corded orbital sander. You see that one for 20 bucks. And then also wanted to show you guys down here at the bottom that they have this rotary tool on sale for $19.77. So you can save $3, but these are always a great thing to have, especially if you're doing some DIY work. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Walmart. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you're interested in going to check out. You can also check out and see if I have any of these links down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. You can check out another video right here, and I will see you over there.